Hello, I'm Amir Hussain, CEO of VDIworks, and today I'm very excited to give you a product demonstration of VideoOverIP for the Apple iPad. This is new software that we've released that allows you to deliver the power of Windows 7 to your Apple iPad device. Using your iPad, you can connect to a virtual desktop or your physical machine that's running Windows, and you can access all your usual Microsoft Office, documents, applications, Adobe Photoshop. You can even play Flash within a browser, all from your iPad. So without further ado, let me give you a quick product demonstration. Here I have a standard Apple iPad, and I'm going to click the icon for the VDIworks VideoOverIP client, and that launches our application. I've already populated the name of the system that I'm connected to, and I'm also giving my login credentials. I then have to hit the connect button, and in a few seconds you'll see that the iPad will contact the remote system and you'll see the full Windows desktop load up here. I see all my icons, a very cluttered desktop. You also see a status bar across the top and another control bar at the bottom over here that lets me load up a local iPad keyboard that I can use to enter text into my Windows applications. I'm going to hide these for now, and as I do that, you see that the Windows Start bar will show up. So first, let me give you an example of a simple Microsoft Office application like Microsoft Word, and I'm going to use this to enter some text. So I load up the keyboard and I hit return a couple of times, and I say adding a line of text, and then I hide the keyboard, and as you see, the new text is entered right below. I also have access to the usual peripherals like printers, so as I go into the print menu, for instance, you'll see that I can print this document to the printers that are attached to this PC in my office. So while I'm on the road, I can actually work on a document and create a printout that shows up in my office. I'll cancel out of this and then move over to PowerPoint. Let me show you an example of a presentation that I have already loaded up here. This is a graphics-rich presentation that talks about the VDIworks solution, and I can double-click, move through slides, and pretty much navigate just like I would on a regular Windows desktop. I can also make changes using the keyboard, as I showed you previously. And then lastly, let me also show you an example of Flash running on the iPad. So here we have a standard Microsoft, actually this is a Google Chrome browser, and we have the CNN website loaded up here. And as you can see, this middle panel is actually a Flash panel, which would not show up on your iPad because the iPad doesn't support Flash, but it will show up when you use VideoOverIP to connect to your desktop. As I switch tabs, this is the VDIworks website. This also uses Flash animations, and in fact I can interactively control which panel I go to. You see all of this animation happening. So you see all of these different Flash elements. You see a blurb about our Flash runs great new iPad application, which I'm presently demonstrating. So you see all of these different Flash elements being refreshed, and Flash runs great through VideoOverIP on the iPad. So that's a quick demonstration of VideoOverIP for the iPad. We hope you download it from the App Store, and we hope you enjoy using it. Thank you very much.